time ago, they weren't cheap and became outdated quite fast. There was a time when individual cases were in trend with a limited number of selective fonts. After that, cases with pictures on them became popular. We combine them and create case. These cases easily adapt to your style, mood, or even to specific event. Cases are cross-functional cases that will replace any of the current case trends out there in the market. It works as an e-paper application where you are required to download the app from the App Store or Google Play to apply it. The case surface is covered with shatterproof glass. The newest electronic paper can work a month without recharging, as opposed to standard e-book. You are able to choose any picture format, including GIFs. App includes a standard photo gallery. Additionally, you can add your own personal pictures to the gallery as well.
Your smartphone could stay ahead of the pack. What if you could add additional features that you never thought would be possible on your mobile device?
Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm co-founder of nexpaq, a modular phone case that will change your life.
nexpaq is a modular smartphone case that allows you to customize your phone to do more and to allow you to do more with your phone. How does it work? Slide your phone into the nexpaq case, add some modules, access the app, and enjoy the unique features each module provides. We've already created 12 modules to get you going, and there's more to come. nexpaq is the first phone case that allows you to switch hardware between Android and Apple devices. This means you can trade modules with friends and family and experience the different features each module provides. If you do choose to upgrade your phone, all you'll need to do is change your case and your modules will always work with you.
From the first idea, it took us about 2 years to arrive where we are now.
We were originally inspired by brainstorming cases that allowed you to add one new feature to your phone, and we thought, why not make one case that allows for many features that you can customize for your lifestyle? We have an experienced team with members spread across the world, all bonded together through our passion for nexpaq. We've been working around the clock to collaborate on each other's time zones and get our device to where it is today. What comes out of this campaign is just the beginning. We are currently working on additional modules for the near future, but even more importantly, we are building a community for developers to thrive and meet the needs and wants of nexpaq users. Think about an app store for modules that can enhance your phone. Whenever we show it to someone, we get some crazy ideas for future modules.
What about a tiny lip gloss or a little blush?
Night vision camera,
3D camera? Walkie-talkies to talk with your friends?
pillbox,
A fingerprint scanner.
a game controller.
A baby monitor?
A lie detector for my boyfriend.
You see, this really is just the beginning. We need your help to fund nexpaq to bring it to you.
But more importantly, we need your ideas to carve the future of nexpaq.
So if you're as excited about nexpaq as we are, pledge today.
Pledge today.